Hello everyone, I'm glad that you're here, where today I'm going to speak about the Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik-B, also referred to as the Hunter B. It's a Russian stealth heavy unmanned combat aerial vehicle being developed by Sukhoi and Russian Aircraft Corporation MiG as a 6th-generation aircraft project. The drone is based on the earlier Mikoyan Skat, designed by MiG and encompassing some technologies of the 5th-generation Sukhoi Su-57 fighter jet. The Okhotnik has been under development since 2011, when Sukhoi was selected by the Russian Defense Ministry to lead a program for a new heavy unmanned reconnaissance and attack drone. The new UCAV is being jointly developed by MiG and Sukhoi based on data of the earlier Mikoyan Skat UCAV program. The work is carried out by the Novosibirsk Aircraft Production Association, part of the Sukhoi company. In the documents, the drone is characterized as a 6th-generation unmanned aerial vehicle. On the 12th of February 2021, it was reported that 3 additional prototypes were under construction at the Novosibirsk Chkalov aviation plant, according to a source in the military-industrial complex. The second model is a modified copy of the first prototype, while the 3rd and 4th prototypes will be identical to the serial production unit. The improvements will relate to the systems of onboard radio-electronic equipment and structural elements of the airframe. The 3 additional prototypes should be ready for flight testing in 2022 and 2023. The source in the military-industrial complex also said that the serial Hunter will receive a standard flat nozzle to further reduce their thermal and radar signature. When it comes to design, the Okhotnik's design is based on the flying wing scheme and incorporates the use of composite materials and stealth coatings, making the drone low observable in flight. It has a weight of about 20 tons and a wingspan of around 65 feet. The drone is powered either by a single AL-31F turbofan, as used on the Sukhoi Su-57 fighter aircraft, or by the improved AL-41F derivative installed on the Su-35S fighters and Su-57 prototypes. Although the first prototype's exhaust nozzle was conventional and could increase the drone's radar signature, future upgrades could see improved exhaust as well as engine inlet, as shown by a mock-up at the 2019 MAX International Aviation and Space Salon. The maximum speed of the drone is reportedly 1,000 kilometers per hour while carrying its payload internally. It's likely that the Okhotnik is designed to act as a loyal wingman controlled by the Su-57. The aircraft bears some visual resemblance to the RQ-170, and it's speculated that the Russian engineers could have had access to one that was captured by Iranians. Of its specifications, it features general characteristics including a wingspan of 20 meters with an empty weight of 20,000 kilograms. Its power plant features one Saturn AL-31F or AL-41F 123-147 KN with afterburner. When it comes to performance, its maximum speed is 1,000 kilometers per hour, with a range of 6,000 kilometers and a combat range of 4,000 kilometers. Its armament includes 2 internal weapons bays for up to 2,000 kilograms of guided and unguided munitions. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure you're subscribed with the bell turned on so that you get more great videos like this one in the future, and let me know what you thought about this impressive craft in the comments below. See you next time.